Welcome to our channel One Step, where we post tutorial video. Today I'll teach you how to repost on your Facebook. So by repost I mean, let's say you see somebody's post and you want to post it on your Facebook so everyone who is friend with you on Facebook can see that post. So that is called reposting on Facebook. So it's basically sharing, but it's reposting as well, alright? So let me show you how you guys can do that. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, hit the subscribe. Let's move on. Let's say I want to share a random post over here. Let's say I want to share this by Lad Bible because I love this video. What I can do is right below the video, you can see the share icon. What I can do is click on share. And once I click on share over here, it says say something. So I want to write something. So like when I'm reposting this, the people can read this. I'm going to say this is really good. We should do it. So let's say I want to repost this video with this tag. Now over here at the top, I can choose feed and I can even choose like to whom I want to share, to a group or to a friend's timeline or in my page, but I want to share it in my profile, so I will just click on feed. And over here where it says public, click on it. You can choose if you want everybody on your Facebook to see it or just friends or just some friends. If you choose friends accept, then you can choose like the people whom you don't want it to see. And if you click on specific friends, you can choose like the only people you want it to be seen by. But I want it to be seen by everybody, so I'll just click on done and I will click on share now. Now this says posting at the top and it says posted. Now if I go on my profile to check, it should be posted over here like this, as you guys can see. That's how we guys can repost on Facebook. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys next time.